Welcome everyone! Is your Keurig coffee maker just turning right back off when you start a brew? Try this before you start taking it apart. Let's go! So let me show you what mine's doing so you can compare it to yours. This happens to me about every 6 months. I go to start a brew and it just turns right back off. I perform 2 steps to get it working again, and I still can't believe the second step works. Okay, let's move it over to the kitchen sink. I unplug it, remove the water reservoir and the drip tray. The first step is we have to clean the needles. This is really easy to do. I remove the K-cup holder assembly and then bend a paper clip straight so I can use it to clear the needles. If they are clogged or didn't puncture the K-cup, it will shut right off. So with the Keurig upside down, I use the paper clip to poke in these 2 holes of the needle. Do not use your finger to touch it or you will get hurt. It's very sharp. Just make sure it's clear. When you run a rinsing brew with just water once it's working again, whatever got loosened will come out. Next, let's clean the K-cup holder needle. This funnel unclips off and you just poke a paper clip in the hole where the coffee comes out. And then I flip it the other way and stick the paper clip in the needle hole, poking it in and out. Again, you don't want coffee grounds clogging the hole of the needle. Now I give the K-cup holder a good rinse, forcing the water through the needle hole. It's hard to see, but the water is lightly flowing through it. If the water can't flow through these needles we just cleaned, the Keurig will turn right back off. Finally, I reclip the funnel back onto the K-cup holder. Let's reinstall it, and here's the second step of this repair I can't believe works. I turn it upside down and give it knocks on the bottom. I don't know if this removes pressure from the water hoses or just resets it somehow. I've seen someone on YouTube just knock it on the top of it, others take it completely apart and do various repairs. You of course can watch those videos and try those repairs out if this doesn't work for you. But now that I got the drip tray and water reservoir back installed, let's see if it worked once more for me. I start a brew and it starts up right away, staying on with the water flowing. We fixed it. Run a few rinse cycles without the K-cup. Also, this would be a good time to use your excitement energy that you didn't have to buy a new one to descale your Keurig. I used distilled white vinegar. So that's it guys, I hope this video helped you out. Click on any of the links on the screen to check out my other home DIY repairs. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you or any questions I can help you with. And please remember to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And be sure to subscribe to watch more home DIY repair videos just like this one. Bye everyone.